To save a search and receive email notifications from PropStream about new properties in a specific market for free, you'll first want to search a market and apply your criteria to the filter menu. Once your filter has been applied, click on the Save button located at the top middle of the search page. From here, you'll want to name your saved search and apply any details about the specific search you are performing. Next, you'll be given the option to choose the frequency of your notifications via email. This will allow you to be notified about any new records that match your saved search. Once you've made your selection, select Save. Lastly, you'll have the option to replace any of the canned searches above the map. To do so, click All Searches, then the plus button. Choose the option to include on the home screen and replace, followed by the canned search you want to replace. If you choose the option to replace a canned search, now your new saved search will appear in a box above your map. Each saved search can also be found in the All Searches tab. When you get a notification via email and you are logged in, go to your saved list via the All Searches folder and select a specific list. The added property will be located at the top within the search result records to the right-hand side. From there, you can add them to one of your marketing lists. If you want to have this process automated, you can try our upgrade to Lead Automator. You get a 2-week free trial. To learn more about Lead Automator, make sure to review our resource library or come to our Tuesday webinar where we show you how to use Lead Automator. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream. Thank you for watching.